Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, specifically designed for professionals and creatives who demand high-quality prints with ease and efficiency. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Epson SureColor T3170 24-inch wireless desktop printer, which comes in a fantastic bundle, including an Ethernet cable, USB cable, and a fiber cloth. This printer is packed with features that will take your printing experience to the next level. So let's dive right in and see what it has to offer. First off, let's talk about connectivity. The Epson SureColor T3170 is equipped with Wi-Fi 4, allowing you to print seamlessly from your smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. But that's not all. It also supports Wi-Fi Direct, which means you can connect your devices directly to the printer without needing a router. Plus, with USB and Ethernet options, you've got versatile network integration that fits your workflow. Imagine being able to print high-quality documents and images from anywhere in your office or studio without being tethered to a desk. This level of flexibility is a game-changer for professionals who need to work efficiently and stay productive on the go. Another key feature of the Epson SureColor T3170 is its incredible print quality. The PrecisionCore TFP printhead, combined with precision droplet control and nozzle verification technology, delivers sharp, vivid prints at an impressive resolution of up to 2400 by 1200 dpi. And with UltraChrome XD2 archival pigment inks, you can expect long-lasting, vibrant colors that are perfect for professional graphics, fine art photography, and more. Whether you're printing posters, banners, or intricate designs, this printer has the capability to produce stunning results that will impress your clients and colleagues. I was blown away by the level of detail and color accuracy in my test prints, and I'm confident that you will be too. The Epson SureColor T3170 also offers a range of media handling options, making it incredibly versatile for different printing tasks. It supports roll media up to 24 inches wide and sheets up to 11 inches by 17 inches via the auto sheet feeder. And with a built-in high-speed rotary cutter, you can automatically cut roll prints for clean, professional results. The compact design of the printer fits comfortably on desks or optional stands, making it perfect for small offices, studios, or home workplaces. I was impressed by how easy it was to switch between different media types and sizes, and the printer's intuitive interface made it a breeze to navigate and manage my print jobs. But what really sets the Epson SureColor T3170 apart is its ease of use and productivity features. The bright 4.3-inch color LCD touchscreen simplifies navigation and job management, making it easy to select print options, monitor ink levels, and perform routine maintenance tasks. High-capacity ink cartridges reduce downtime, and fast setup means you can be up and running in as little as 30 minutes. Plus, with rapid A1/D size print speeds of just 34 seconds per print, you can boost office productivity and get more done in less time. Whether you're a busy professional or a creative entrepreneur, this printer is designed to help you work smarter and faster. In conclusion, the Epson SureColor T3170 24-inch wireless desktop printer is an incredible piece of technology that offers a unique combination of print quality, versatility, and ease of use. If you're in the market for a high-end printer that can deliver professional-grade results, I highly recommend checking out this bundle. With its impressive features, compact design, and user-friendly interface, it's an investment that will pay off in the long run. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on the Epson SureColor T3170 today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.